Hi, I'm Sakshi.
And I'm Tarun.
So this is the module for our DSP assignment 1. So the green part we see here is usually used by the person who is in distress, and the purple part is used by the other person. So both of them are included in one model so that both phones can work either way. So first, let's see this part. First things first, live location is transmitted at all times. So this is a location sensor which shows latitude, longitude, and altitude. So we had used this latitude and altitude displays for our debugging. We can remove it anyway because we don't need, the distressed person does not need to see his or her live location. Now, for the logic of predefined geographic area, we considered a rectangular area. For that, we considered 4 points, basically 4 lines. And these are the equations for those lines. So basically 2 latitudes, 2 longitudes, and the person has to be confined between them. Then we used an if block and if action block, followed by an OR gate to give the alert signal. Once the alert signal is on, we used an if action block to send a distress audio message via TCP. Also notice that the location is also sent using TCP. Now, if the other person wants, that person can send a signal to turn on the microphone of this person, the distressed person. That signal is sent using UDP. Similarly, when the microphone is turned on, the live audio is also sent using UDP. We did this because TCP IP is considered to be more reliable and more secure. But UDP is used for live streaming, for live audio and video transmission. So that's why this difference between UDP and TCP usage. Now
let's learn about the receivers end. So at first, the receivers end, the live location is shared using the TCP, and after that, the pre-recorded audio is sent to the from the distressed person to the receivers end via a TCP IP server. So to transmit the data, first it's reshaped, and then it's transmitted to the audio file, right? And also we have set a button here, and that button is used uh, using the AND gate and a switch, and it's connected to the status of the TCP server. And here we have used a small converter to converts the data type and is sent into the control type of the audio write file. After that, we have used a switch to integrate it with the live audio. That's again connected via a button. So if we press the button, the receivers and gets this signal to transmit the data, and that's done using a UDP IP here. And if the condition is set true, it's transmitted again using a matrix concatenate function, and after that it's integrated with the uh, pre-recorded video audio, and accordingly the data is sent to the Android the audio playback, which is only one in this case. That's why we have used a switch here.
So more or less that was it. Now let's move ahead to the demonstration of the app. Hello, I'm Sakshi Jagtap.
And I am Tarun Sharma.
And this is a demonstration for the assignment 1 of DSP. So as we can see here, we have created a MATLAB Simulink Android based application. So this purple part is the receiving part and the green part is the sending part. Basically, the green part will be used by the person who is in distress and the purple part will be used for the other person. So we have created the same app for 2 phones. We had to use 2 laptops because my and my partner's phone were of different companies, and MATLAB does not support, MATLAB needs drivers in the laptop. Anyway, let's take a look at the app. So right now we can see the current location of Tarun, which is altitude, latitude and longitude. And currently there is no distress signal because
I'm right in front of her and in the predefined geographical location. Now let us go beyond the geographical location and let's see if Sakshi gets the alert message or not. So we have defined the geographical location in the I hostel, and beyond a certain point, uh, I'll go past the predefined geographical location, and the alert signal will become one. So I think I've come far enough, and my alert number has become one. Sakshi might have got the alert message now.
Now let's listen to Tarun's audio on other device.
so as we can see, I have received the pre-recorded distressed audio.
I'm in emergency. Please help me.
I'll stop this and start Tarun's microphone.
Can you hear me? I need immediate help. Please run fast. There are ghosts.
So yeah, this was the Tarun's live audio.
I need help.
So that was the live demonstration.